Imagine you would have a time machine where you could go back in time in 2018 where CPMs were low and ROAS was high and dropshipping was still a blue ocean. Well, if you're watching this video, it is your lucky day because today I'm going to expose this strategy that I'm using on my store that makes me feel I'm dropshipping in 2018 again. As you guys can see in the year till date on this single store, look at the scale. We have done close to 1 million Great British pounds, which is I think 1.2 million USD. So today I'm gonna expose 3 stores that are doing the exact same thing, the exact same strategy, the exact same setup that you can instantly copy and you can have these results as well. So let's start first with this store. If you guys probably have been dropshipping for a longer time, you guys know that in 2018, 2019, it was really easy to just pop up a cat necklace product on Facebook and you would be printing. The only regret that I have in 2018 and 2019 is that I did not spend more money. That's the honest truth. But now you have the opportunity to copy and paste some simple stores that are doing the exact same thing that I'm doing and you can still have insane results like me. As you guys can see, this store, for example, is printing. If you check the Simulweb, they're always 3 months behind. So this data is always behind. And normally it's like one visitor is $1. But if you think about that, this is not even accurate. This is normally 3 times higher. So this will be 100K to 150K monthly visits. These guys are doing 6 figures with the most ugliest looking store. This stuff normally was working in 2018, 2019 like crazy. You can just put up an ad like and just print literally. But these guys are doing the exact same thing. But one thing that they're not doing is they're not using Facebook ads. They're not using TikTok ads. They're not using Snapchat or anything else. They are leveraging only Google ads. And that's what I mean with the new blue ocean in 2025, because no one is utilizing Google ads for their dropshipping business, only me. And a lot of people, maybe in freedom achievers, but that's it. So I want to show you exactly what you can do. As you guys can see, pretty ugly looking store. And if we check their best sellers, let's go to PP Spy, best selling. This is their best seller. Look at this. It's so simple. I hope the OGs with dropshipping remember this product. It's such a simple product. You need to have like all these creatives on Facebook to really sell this product. With Google, you don't need to do any creative media buying. Google does the heavy lifting for you, which is insane about Google. So here you see a powerful electric battery operated cordless weed eater grass trimmer. Beautiful, beautiful. High AOV as well, 99 bucks, $100. Huge discount that they're giving as well, which is really, really good. Add to cart, you guys can see. It's a very simple optimized store and that's it. It's this. So if you want to copy and paste anything, do it please with these. These guys are running in the US. I will show some different stores as well, but these guys are doing an amazing job by just selling ugly products that I normally sold in 2018 with high ROAS, and they are printing with it again. And that's exactly what I am doing. This is probably how you call it, a general store with all different products. They have 1,500 products on the store. I have 3,600 now on my store, and all random stuff that I find from Google Ads dropshippers, from Facebook Ads dropshippers, from TikTok Ads dropshippers. Everything that I find, I put it on my store, okay? And it's selling like crazy. So let's go to the second one. This is a UK one. This is one of my favorite niches. As you guys can see, they have a lot of home decor products and especially lamps. I do love lamps. Why? It has a high AOV. But normally, when you're back in the days, you would easily sell lamps by just putting up a static image ad on Facebook and you will be selling. Now it's really competitive with all the big brands. But with Google, this is a untapped blue ocean. Why? Because it's harder to source these products. It is harder to source. You need to have a little bit of cash flow as well because the cost of goods of these products are normally a little bit higher. But I have done 30K per day with the store that I just showed you guys in the beginning. I believe it was somewhere in this weekend, somewhere here. We were doing, 36K in a weekend, which is really, really good. And I think this weekend as well. we were doing really good numbers. We were doing really, really good numbers. We even closed off like in the first 2 weeks or something, the first 3 weeks, 237K. Here you guys can see we're doing 30K days on July 13th. And why was there such a high influx? Because we were selling high ticket products, not like high ticket with high ticket drop shipping. No, but just like $200 products, $150 products. And these guys are doing the exact same thing. But if you click on the best sellers, you can see that they're selling a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff. If you look, for example, at this one, what the heck? Like, what the heck? Automatic hiking walking stick safety tracking pole with LED light. I don't even know what this means, but yeah, this is just a pole that they can use for walking, for self-defense as well. And normally you would sell this like crazy in 2018 on Facebook, and it would be printing, but now you can never make this happen again because it's saturated. With Google, it's not saturated because no one is using Google for their dropshipping store. So if you use this and you're printing with these products, congratulations, because now you have a new untapped business model, literally Google as dropshipping, which is working in 2025 the best. Okay, here you see beautiful store. This is very, very simple. Black, white, green sales price, add to cart. This is very nice what they have done as well. So you need to add multiple products because the higher your AOV, the more money you can spend, the more money you will make. Okay, so these guys are doing an amazing job by just a simple product. On the front end, it looks like they're selling only table lamps and floor lamps and this kind of stuff. Even I don't know if I can. Yeah, I can sort by best selling. Here you guys can see their best sellers, and our bestseller is like 150 pound, just a collar lamp. And I know a lot of people have tried to dropship this and sell this on Facebook and Meta, but Facebook, Meta, and TikTok, but it was way too saturated. And in Google, it just prints. Okay. So the third store, this was a new find of me. Look, it's almost the same. Like that's the funny thing. Maybe it's the same owner. If you're, by the way, if this is one of your stores, congratulations. I'm not doing this for exposing you. I'm literally telling you you're doing an amazing job, because if I can find you, that means that you're in the algorithm and you're making some money. Oh, and for your reference, the last store was doing some good numbers as well. Hop, as you guys can see, just getting pretty healthy as well. And now let's check this store. And this store is in an uptrend again, had a dip in May, but now it's up and printing again. Same stuff, all the lamps, all the ceiling lamps, all the different stuff. But if we go to the best sellers, you guys can see all different products, even just a random GPS tracker. I even have a YouTube video from a few months ago where I told you guys that I made 200K with only selling this tracker on the Switzerland market, the Swiss market. But yeah, this guy is just printing with the same tracker in the UK, which is really, really good. And you see, like, it's so simple. It's so simple. And again, this will be a product that you normally would sell in 2018 with a high ROAS, and you were afraid to scale because you don't know and did not understand anything about dropshipping. But here again, this guy is printing with this thing. Like, he is printing. Cost of goods would maybe be £5 or £6. So he has a good margin on this as well, which is really, really good. Very simple store. Also, the upcart, I think there will be almost the same owner if I see this right now. Same app that they're using with the 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, checkout, of course, and that's it. You can even check as well if I put on this URL, if you copy and paste the URL and you go to the Google Ads Transparency Center, it's still open. You can just put it in here and you can see all their ads, and you can see they're only running Google Ads. This is only what they're running, Google Ads, to all different products. I don't even know what this is. Look at this. Giant Postal 12. Like, I don't even know what this is. Like, what the giant? I don't even know if I can find it. The giant, what the heck? I guess it's for Halloween. Giant posable 12 feet skeleton Halloween decoration, USA. Insane. But yeah, the Halloween market is huge. Halloween is huge in the US. Look at this. It's so funny. This is so funny. What they're doing. They're literally putting up the Halloween sale, which is really, really good. But yeah, so you can see you can sell all different random products with an insane high ROAS because no one is selling this. Like, come on, who's testing this kind of stuff? No one, no one. But you can do this with Google. If you want to learn more about Google Ads dropshipping, we have a community. It's called Freedom Achievers. I will show you a little bit what the inside looks like. Freedom Achievers. We have a community where we teach people how to go from 0 to 1K per day in 90 days with Google Ads dropshipping. No need for experience in Facebook or TikTok as anything. Here you see, 6 hours ago, Paul made his first ever 1K profit day. Total profit 32%, net revenue 3.2, with a ROAS of 3.4, with a net spend of $968. Really, really good. Still, he is the OG in the community. He's an OG. He is this store was negative in February because he is in a different niche, which was tough in this market in this month. But now he's pushing close to 5K days, which is really, really good in the US. Beautiful. Like this is really, really good. Last month, 57K, which is really, really good. So if you are interested in learning more about Google Ads dropshipping, first link is in the description. So if you want to know how you can use AI to optimize your Google Ads dropshipping business, then click on this video because I explain exactly how I leverage AI to make even better product images, product titles, and product descriptions. For now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.